Welcome to Wondfo, USA's state-of-the-art manufacturing site in San Diego. Here, innovation meets precision to bring high-quality diagnostic solutions to life. Our team ensures safety and product integrity by strictly following gowning-up procedures before entering the manufacturing area. The manufacturing process starts with formulation, where raw materials are carefully prepared for assembly. Next, membranes are treated with antibodies to enable specific detection of target markers. Once prepared, the membranes are dried to ensure stability before assembly. Using precision-driven instruments, membranes are carefully cut into strips, integrated into product forms, and securely sealed in protective foil pouches with a desiccant. Each test kit is assembled with care, packaged securely, and prepared for shipment worldwide. Quality checks are conducted throughout the process to ensure every kit meets our high standards. Quality control teams test the kits to confirm accurate results under strict standards. Every kit's appearance and contents are inspected to ensure excellence in every package. From start to finish, our San Diego manufacturing site exemplifies Wondfo's commitment to quality, innovation, and global impact. Thank you for choosing Wondfo USA, where we're shaping the future of diagnostics.